Hello viewers, this Not Too Fast here. Now a couple of videos ago I reviewed the AOSU Solar 4-camera security system. I've had it for over 2 months and has worked very well. I like the fact that the app is very easy to use. I can view all 4 cameras remotely anywhere I have data connection on my phone. And most importantly, the motion sensing event recording is very good. With the ability to set the custom zone detection, you can minimize false alerts, making it very easy to use. With that said, I recommended this security camera system to my sister. I'm here at her house today to help her install this camera system. Now if you want to see the full unboxing and setup of the camera system, I'll include the link for that full review video in the description below. So let's start by showing you where I'm going to install the 4 cameras around the home. Now with this house, we've decided to install 2 cameras at the front, 1 on the side and 1 in the back. Right here is the solar powered security camera system. Inside the box you'll find the 4 solar panels, 4 cameras, a home base and all the installation hardware. After I unbox everything, it's time to do the initial setup by connecting the home base to the home router so I'll have internet connection. Using the included Ethernet wire, I connected the home base to the home router. Next I installed the AOSU app on the mobile phone and began the initial setup. You will first need to create an account and then you can add the new device. After the home base is recognized, you'll need to power on all 4 cameras by holding down the power button at the bottom. Now the home base will communicate with each camera and establish a connection. Once I verify that I can see the live video of each camera on the mobile app, next I'll get these cameras installed around the home. Looking at the house, the plan is to install a camera back at that corner. I'm going to put one here that'll face the driveway, one more at the front. Here I'm installing a camera in this corner, and this camera will face the front door. Here's a look at this camera installed underneath the porch on the front right side, and I placed the solar panel low enough so it'll have enough sunlight during the daytime to charge a camera. Next I installed a second camera on the left side of the house, and this will have a clear view of what's going on at the front of the house. The third camera is installed on the side of the house, and this camera faces a driveway. That way any cars coming up the driveway will be recorded. I'm at the back of the house and the last camera is mounted at this corner here. Now you notice the solar panel is facing up because at the back of this house there's really not a lot of sun. So by placing it upward, we'll try to maximize the amount of sunlight it gets. And this camera's view will see the backyard here. So I just finished installing all the cameras and let me show you these cameras. There's one at the front corner right there. And let me walk over to the second one. On the left side here, in this corner, there's a second camera. And this has a view of the front of the house. Now by the way, I did mount the solar panel lower for this one, just to make sure you can catch the sunlight during the daytime. Now let's go over to the back. At this corner here, there's a third camera. And this camera points towards the driveway. And going to the backyard, the fourth camera is mounted in this corner right here. So let me show you the live view of all 4 cameras. And now these are thumbnails of the last events. But if you want to look at the live view of all 4 cameras, you can select the view multicam right here. This will bring up the live view of all 4 cameras. Let's go back, and if I select one of the camera, this will bring up one camera view. And turn this for full screen mode. Now it does have audio, so I can hear the audio. This camera does have 2-way audio, so I can talk to it if I want to. And let's go into settings. One nice thing about this camera is you can actually select the detection zone. So if you select the detection zone, you can add the zone where you want to detect the motion. Once you're done, you can save it. So that was the front camera. This one is the front porch. This is the backyard. And this camera is the one facing the driveway. As you can see, this camera system is very easy to install and works very well. Again, if you want to watch a full review of this product, check out the link below. And if you want to pick one up, I'll also include the link. I'll wrap up this video with the owner's thought on this camera system. Alright, with the cameras installed, how do you like it?
So I was very skeptical in the beginning because there's a lot of products out there that just don't really fit all the things that I wanted. But this product has blown my mind. It has everything that I would ever want and more. I feel very safe being here now. My family feels safer. This has been a great product because they took technology and really maximized what it can do to bring safety to my family. So thank you. I appreciate it.
Alright, see you later. Thank you for watching this video. To support this channel, remember to click on thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos.